Now that it's all unboxed, let's get this beast of a jointer all set up. First, I need to square the fence to the outfeed table on the jointer. We got that all set and locked in. We can get it plugged in and we'll run a test piece through to see how our height looks. We get a lot of snipe there on the end because the outfeed table is not matching the height of the cutters. So we're going to move the fence forward, lock the guard back, and we'll run a piece through and then stop about 4 or 5 inches in, pull it back, and then we can raise that outfeed table to the level that we just cut. This ensures that the outfeed and the cutter heads are at the same height. We can run a piece through and now you can see we have no snipe and a really nice smooth cut. We'll move the fence back and you can see that fence is still perfectly square. Everything on this jet jointer is easy to adjust and it holds your adjustments, making things really nice. The helical head provides an incredibly smooth cut. I'm really happy with this. We have our first perfect 90-degree corner coming off of this jointer. Now we can put it through a real test. To test that, I've got this 7.5-inch wide piece of cherry that we're going to joint for a project that I had going on, and it absolutely flew through this. Left a beautifully smooth cut on cherry, which is sometimes difficult to do, and then it cleaned up this edge really nicely over several passes on the jointer to get a perfectly square edge. This is exactly what you want to see out of a jointer, and I could not ask for the cuts to be any better than they are here. Perfectly smooth, no snipe, nothing. It was really easy to set up this jointer and get everything all dialed in, and it has been a absolutely welcomed addition to the shop. So definitely check that out on our website, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day, everyone. If you love this type of content, be sure to subscribe right over here and click right over here for more great videos.